If you don't know about IVO, let me tell you, you're missing something in life. And my name is Jyoti Pawar. I'm a banker. I work for a multinational bank as a vice president. IVO is one of the finest longevity centers that we have in India. I did quite a research about this center. And I came here with a whole purpose of preventative healthcare, longevity, and more from a fitness point of view. I guess my most favorite treatment, I would say, was HBOT, which is hyperbaric oxygen treatment. Initially, I was a bit scared because they put you in a closed cabin. The staff was very supportive and kind. They made me understand the whole treatment and how it, helps in the overall health improvement. So that was a brilliant experience, I would say. Let me tell you something about IVO 181, which I think by far, I would say, is one of the most insightful blood tests that I personally have taken because it gives you insights from a 360-degree angle about your health. It was a brilliant test. Also, I would like to highlight the different type of scans that IVO offers, whether it is DEXA scan, full body MRI, CT scan. DEXA scan especially, helps you understand bone density, especially when you're aging after you're 30. Bone density and muscle strength plays an extremely important role. The kind of scans that IVO is providing, you actually understand your body at a deeper root level. I would say one of my best experience was MFR treatment, which is myofascial release, because I always work out, I go to gym, I do functional training, weight training. But after I reached IVO, I understood that my muscles were really, really tough. And this specific MFR release technique, which the physiotherapist gave me, helped me release those muscle tensions. It is also, helping me in building of body flexibility. So if you're coming to IVO, MFR is the must-do treatment. Gut microbiome. This was a long-awaited test for me because I have been hearing so much about gut microbiome test. It is extremely important test, guys, I would say, because it helps you understand your immunity at a deeper level. It helps you identify if you have any parasites, bacteria living inside your intestine. It also helps you understand how your digestion is working. Digestion is such an important part of our overall fitness, which we keep ignoring. So I would say gut microbiome test is the must test to do. So I would say after I came to IVO, after I finished the whole treatment, today I can say very confidently that I'm very, very closer to my own body now. I understand my body and my organs and my functions very, very well because this whole journey was extremely insightful for me to know different parameters about fitness and longevity. So I would say a big thank you to IVO for giving me these insights, giving me all the preventative action plans, which I will definitely focus on in the next coming years from a fitness journey point of view.